Welcome to Janique Hardware Limited. Ours is a story of trust. Nico Henry Mugisha is the chairman and founder of the company.
I'm an accountant by profession. I worked with some of the largest audit firms in this country. I worked with PKF Certified Public Accountants for 5 years. Later I worked with BDO for another year before I went into private practice. In 2014, I started my private practice, that is Proctor & Partners, that deals in audit, tax and accounting. But while I was still doing audit, it has exposed me a lot. I've moved through many companies in different sectors. So it was during that time that I got the interest to one-time venture into business. We started in November 2017. Still part of the inspiration I had gotten while I was doing audit. And when we started, the business platform was very, very difficult. There were a lot of players in the business. For instance, where we are here in Kitintale, there were Indians that were very strong in this business. So penetration was very difficult. We came up with a strategy of selling a variety of hardware materials. For instance, one of our closest competitors by then was just dealing in about 5 key construction material. But the material required to build a house from the foundation to the finish is quite a lot. So we came up with that strategy and we started to stock what they didn't have.
At Janique Hardware Limited, we specialize in a wide range of high-quality products, including cement, iron bars, paints, sanitary ware, and tiles, all essential for your construction projects.
So of course, after stocking what they didn't have, we later ventured in stocking what they had, but of better quality probably, or of even also affordable prices.
We purposely made ourselves a one-stop store for all building materials, for all that you will need, including the tools, including the bars, the cement, the paints, the toilets, anything that you will need to do with your house to stay in it comfortably. This is the sanitary section at Janique Hardware and Supplies. We are going to start with the kitchen. The kitchen has the sinks, has the taps, has the soap holders in the kitchen and everything that you will need in there. We have sinks for your dining area. We have soap dispensers for that section too, and for whatever that you might want to use the soap dispensers. So our tiles area has a variety of tiles. We have tiles that are meant for the kitchen worktops. We have tiles that are meant for the bathrooms. We also have tiles for the main floor. So when you come to Janique Hardware, you'll be sure that you'll get whatever you want before you leave this place. And so we encourage you all to come and spend your time with us. Give us your time, let us advise you on what you will need to have your perfect home, your perfect business area, your perfect workplace.
Our focus on understanding client needs has fostered strong relationships.
So I met Nico at BNI International, Uganda, and we had a couple of conversations. I visited his hardware, vetted the quality of his materials, looked into the quantity of supply that he can be able to dispatch at a time. So I found out that he is able to help me fulfill my job and commitment to my clients. And this is one of the projects which we have engaged with Nico. He has supplied most of the steel and the cement and all the plumbing and hardware and steel requirements on the project. When you're dealing with real estate, our clients expect that when they invest their money, they get the value for their what? For the investment. So Nico guaranteeing quality for me is a win in my engagement with my clients.
What makes a retailer make it in their business, the norms are the same. You need to open the shop on time. When you open the shop on time, you need to have a team of highly trained staff, okay? highly trained staff to be able to understand their customer needs and to address their customer needs. The other thing that sets us aside in this retail market, you need to have after-sales services like delivery vehicles. Some customers, like I told you, they don't want to walk to the shop, they want to place a call, and you need to deliver. It's not just about delivery, you still need to deliver on time.
At Janick Hardware Limited, we believe that a strong workforce is essential. We have built a reliable team dedicated to providing exceptional service and support to our customers.
So this all goes back to my unique selling proposition I told you of the professional touch. That in professionalism, how we managed to become good professionals, that there was a lot of training while at the farm. We were taught all these things from the farm. So I benchmark from what I learned, and I try to borrow a leaf and also instill the same discipline to my team to ensure that we're able to serve our customers and to make sure that our customers are contented.
We prioritize building confidence with our suppliers, ensuring we always have access to high-quality products.
You need to have a very good working relationship with your suppliers, because it's the suppliers that make us. We get supplies from Steel and Tube, we get supplies from Yogi Steels, we get supplies from Plascon, one of the leading paint manufacturers in this country. We get supplies from Roro, from Simba Cement. If you break a relationship with one or two suppliers, it can spread and you'll be out of business.
Our ideal referrals come from contracts with contractors involved in mega projects. These projects require a dependable supplier, and we are proud to be that partner.
One thing that I normally do at the beginning of the year is to project. I do a projection. First of all, I will set a target and I'll project it. As a hardware, we are structured. We have the accounting department, we have the sales department, we have cashiers, we have stores department that is broken down into inventory, into plumbing, into paints, into general stock, into sanitary ware. So what I do, I have to scale down this target to the different departments. And the target now, the assignment that I normally give the manager is to ensure that we strategize to meeting these targets. So the most satisfying moment is when, at the end of the year, I see to it that we've met our targets or even surpassed them. Where I get my satisfaction is that when I look back at where we started and where we are, I'm like, wow, we've come a long way, we've achieved a lot, and there's a lot we can still achieve. Yeah, so my most satisfying moment is when we hit those targets and when our customers are happy and contented.
Join us on our journey as we build a better future, one project at a time. Visit us today in Chitintale or online to discover how we can help bring your construction projects to life. Janick Hardware Limited, your partner in construction excellence.